Original. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say no.
Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturallymary here, back again to serve you guys another amazing video. Today I'm going to be hooking my sisters up who struggle with any issues related to your edges. Maybe you're like me and you often don't want to have to slick your edges down. You don't really want to do anything to your edges, especially when your hair is braided down. Right now, my edges look a mess. Yesterday, my husband and I actually went house hunting, and I didn't want to actually go through the process of applying gel and all that to my edges. And I'm so glad that I had a headband wig to pull forward and cover my edges completely. And if you follow me on Instagram, you already know that we're back at it again. I did post in my stories this past weekend. If you aren't already following me on Instagram, be sure to go ahead and follow me so that you can see real time what's going on for the most part. Now, I didn't show any of the houses that we were looking at because I really want to share that once we're completely finished with the process, but we have narrowed down our search and the homes that we've been looking at are so awesome. We may go for a community that might not have all the added zhuzh, but the home though, the home is going to be amazing, and I feel like we're going to get more bang for our buck. So we're just weighing those things. I know I kind of went off on a rant about the home buying process, but so many of you guys have been leaving comments on my wig videos, on my couples videos, on so many of my other videos that have nothing to do with that, asking for an update. So I just thought I would just put that out there for you guys. So we are looking, we are getting very close. We're going to keep you guys posted. I did record some of the model plans. I'm not sure if I'm going to share that or not, but we'll see. You guys, make sure you're subscribed if you are already. So the unit that I'm going to be sharing with you all today is from Nadula Hair. And I believe this is from their AliExpress website. So this unit is extremely affordable. And when y'all see it, I saw it on the website and I was like, ooh, that's a cool idea. I recently did a headband wig that had bangs, but it was kind of pricey. This one is going to be a great option, perfect for those who have any issues with their edges. I shared that before. But if you're someone who has full edges and you just don't want to do the added work, then this is going to be a lifesaver. And you kind of get 2 wigs in one, and the price point is also really good. So let's get into this unit. Now this is a curly texture unit, and y'all know I love curly wigs. So this is what the unit looks like right out of the package. It is in length 14, so it's a really natural length. And then these are the bangs that it comes with. So the way this one is constructed is very similar to all the other headband wigs. But the cool thing about this particular unit is that if you flip it over, you can see that this is where the bangs are attached. So you can actually detach the bangs if you don't desire to wear the headband wig with bangs. So I love, love, love that. That is like such a genius idea. Look at that. So if you didn't want to wear with the bangs, you can remove it easily. So then it would look like this. And it also comes with plenty of combs on the inside. There's also an adjustable strap here. It's really nicely constructed. This is such a cool idea, having the option to wear it with bangs or without. We're gonna see how to make this work. I feel like it's gonna be amazing, but let's get into it. I wanna show you guys my edges first. All right, so after taking off my head wrap, this is what my hair looks like right now. Y'all know I previously had in butterfly locks, and this is just how my hair was braided under those butterfly locks. And if you did not see that video, be sure to check it out. It was so, so great. But yeah, it looks crazy. And we have one butterfly lock left in because I wanted to show you guys how to remove them. Now I did for the most part cut the majority of them out because I just was like, I ain't got time for this. But if you want to reuse your butterfly locks, this is going to be one of the best methods in order to use. So let me show you guys how to remove them, because you guys asked me that quite a bit too under my last video. Put on a stocking cap right now just to protect my hair. So now that we have the stocking cap on, this is what we're working with. This is what my edges look like. Now generally I always suggest to you guys to go ahead and slick your edges down, but I'm trying my best not to apply any gels or anything, because I know a lot of you guys, you struggle with gel. That's something that can be damaging for your edges. Although gel doesn't negatively impact my edges, I want to show you guys that you can install this unit without having to do any of that. So yesterday I told you guys I went out and I didn't want to apply gel to my edges. So what I did was I put a headband in the front. So I'm going to try to do that with one of my head wraps, probably this one. Look how long it is. So nice. Or one of the ones that came in the package. So you have this really nice black one, and then also a few others. They also provided these, which are really nice, thick, wide headbands. And some of these colors look like they would really be good for the gym. Let's try this on. Alright, so this is what it's looking like so far. I did pull the headband forward completely. Now, some of my edges do peek out because y'all know I have a low hairline. So that's just going to be something that happens with my edges. But your edges probably would be fully covered just based on how your hairline is structured. But this is a look. We could just put a headband over in the front and it will work just like that. And I didn't think I was gonna like these headband wigs pulled all the way forward, but yesterday I was like, ooh, this is cute. So now let's add the bangs. Now for the bangs, they're attached with Velcro, and this is where you'd actually attach it. Now I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to take the unit off or not, but I'm gonna try to do it while it's still on my head. It's probably not the best idea because it might snag my edges. Let me see. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys can see that, but the Velcro is back here. So I need to take it off because I don't want to risk snagging my edges. So let's do that. So I'm just lining up the bangs with the Velcro and putting it on. Okay, I think I did that all wrong. So it's gonna seem like the bangs are upside down. That's how they seem to me when you apply it. So you actually wanna find that Velcro attachment, and then the bangs are gonna be placed on upside down. I'm living, I'm winning, not timid. They giving me a standing ovation, 'cause I am amazing. I'm fresh, I'm flossy, I'm blessed, I'm glossy. Can't hold a candle to me, 'cause they can't handle me. So now that we've applied the bangs, the headband is going to flap over the bangs in order to conceal where we attach them. All right, so now let's try it out. I'm living, I'm winning, not timid. They giving me a standing ovation, 'cause I am amazing. It's a little interesting right now. We're gonna play around with it. I am amazing. Okay, this is what it's looking like right now without having done anything to the bangs. But what I like is the coverage. In the video that I mentioned earlier where I did the headband wig with the bangs, you could still kind of see my edges some, but because of how they cut these bangs, it's gonna cover your edges completely. So whether you slick down your edges or not, or if you have edges or not, this unit is gonna cover them. Now you could actually wear it with the headband that it comes with, but I don't feel like I would like it that way. I'd like it with another one on top of it. So let's try that out. Now, I don't believe that I'm gonna wet this hair down because I don't want to be dripping wet trying to style the hair and everything, but I am gonna use mousse. I'm not sure just yet which one I'm gonna use. If it's gonna be this argan oil mousse or my Nairobi mousse. It might end up being this one. I'm also gonna use my detangling brush. Y'all know I talk about this Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush like all the time. So I'm gonna use this in order to define the curls. We're gonna play around with it and see what we can do.
Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times were cherished, no comparing to you. Keisha, Karen, Megan, Sharon.
Now, I like chunky curls, so I am going to coil some of the hair around my fingers, just around the end. So I'm going to gather small sections and begin coiling it to chunk the curls.
Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the girls.
Okay, this is how the bangs look now. And I will be separating some of the curls just to make sure it's the way I want it to look. Now at this point, you could actually diffuse the curls or just allow them to air dry. I think I'm gonna allow them to air dry a bit while I work on the hair in the unit. And then I might decide to diffuse them after I finish with that, but I'm not certain.
Come on and catch that vibe. Don't stop until the feeling's right. Spin around, come on, let's take a ride. We'll be feeling good in no time. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Watch how I do it, all eyes on me. It's as simple as ABC. Watch how I do it now. Just do it like that. Just do it, just do it, just do it.
Alright y'all, so I've allowed the hair to dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. It is still a little damp, so I am going to diffuse the curls and dry it just a little bit while it's on my head, and then I'll actually begin to do some styles and see how it looks once the look is complete.
Just do it, 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 just do it like this. Just do it, just do it, just do it. It's simple as that. Just do it, just do it, just do it, just do it.
Alright, now that I've diffused the curls, I feel like they look so beautiful. Look really, really pretty. This unit has a really beautiful curl pattern. Now it's not kinky curly, it's more so just curly, like a silkier curly texture. These curls look like they'd more so be type 3 curls, which are still really, really beautiful. Y'all know how I feel about my kinky curly, but these are some beautiful curls. Alright, so now, I know I said I didn't want to put anything on my edges, but I think I am because they are looking kind of cray-cray. Alright, that looks much better. Now, I'm going to put back on my head wrap.
Just do it, just do it like that. Like that. Look over here, I'm gonna show you what I got. Cause once I get it, no, I'm never gonna stop. It's so effortless, don't even need to try. I'm gonna do my thing DIY. I like it flawless and I like it clean. Watch how I do it, all eyes on me. Just like a fantasy, just like a...
Alright, so I just styled it really plain for the first look. I may also do a little bun at the top, but we'll see.
Lady, come here, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay.
Y'all, this looks so gorgeous. Let me know which style is your favorite. I'm just kind of playing around. I don't know what I'm doing. We freestyling right now, but this freestyle turned out really, really good.
I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed.
Now let's take it to the next level and add the bangs. I'm going to show you guys different styles that way, so let's do it.
Down so many times you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation.
Y'all, I love this more than I expected. This is so cool, and you could absolutely wear it like this, but again, as I shared earlier, I feel like it's gonna look better with a headband or a head wrap. These bangs look so good after coiling them around my finger and allowing them to air dry. I love how they turned out. It's just so beautiful. I thought I was gonna have to trim some of the hair in the bang when I originally saw it out of the package. I feel like it looks really good like this. So now I'm gonna add a headband to this area and then begin doing some styling.
You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time. I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii. Ay. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't tryna mess this up. No, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch sunrise. We just fine.
Alright y'all, so that's the end of this tutorial. I love everything about this unit. This whole concept is such a genius idea. I love that there's such great versatility with this unit, and you pretty much get 2 wigs for one and both look amazing. You can do so much with it, and you can actually put the unit up in the back if you desire to. Length 14 is a really good length, so with that length you could actually pull it up like you see that I've done here. Let me know down in the comment section, which way do you like it best? Do you like it with just the headband or with the bangs? And which style with the head wrap that I did you like the most? So yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. Check the description. I'll have all the links and specifications for this unit. It is priced so well, so y'all definitely should check it out. Also, I'll be sure to link my head wrap. I have like tons of these, so you're going to see so many more in other videos. I'll be sure to link it down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Bye guys.